Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this third part, we are going to see an interesting consequence of the theorems proven in the previous videos. If you have missed the first two parts, you'll find the links below. Then, we'll also solve an exercise on this topic. Firstly, we are going to prove that the sum of the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And we are going to do it by using the theorems proven in the first two videos. In fact, if we draw the straight line that passes through C, and that is parallel to the side AB, we notice that the other two sides of the triangle are two segments of two transversals that cut the two parallel lines. We know that two lines cut by a transversal form congruent alternate interior angles. So we can draw two angles, both adjacent to gamma, that are congruent to alpha and beta. In fact, alpha and the yellow angle adjacent to gamma are alternate interior angles, and so they are beta and the red angle adjacent to gamma. It is evident now that the sum of the three angles is a straight angle. So we have proven that the sum of internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees or pi in radians. We notice that to prove this statement, we have used the theorems about parallel lines cut by a transversal, which in turn they requires that the Euclid's fifth postulate is valid. So this achievement depends on the parallel postulate. In other geometries that do not accept the postulate, it's not true that the sum of the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We complete this video by solving a simple exercise on the topic. Given a triangle, like the triangle ABC in figure, we extend two sides of the triangle so that we can construct a second triangle that has a vertex in common with the first triangle in C. If we call D and E the other two vertices, the side ED of the second triangle is parallel to the side AB of the first one. Moreover, the angles in C and E measure 50 and 60 degrees respectively. We want to calculate the value of the angles of the first triangle. So alpha, beta and gamma. The first thing that we notice is the fact that the two angles in C are vertically opposite angles. Therefore they are congruent. So we have already found the value of gamma. We are going to use the theorems about parallel lines cut by a transversal to find the value of one of the other two angles. If we extend the three segments AB, DE, and AE, we have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. We notice that the angle in A and the angle in E are alternate interior angles. Therefore they are congruent angles, and we know that alpha measures 60 degrees. Eventually we get the value of beta. Knowing that the sum of the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So beta measures 70 degrees. Well, this video is over. If you like my videos, you can subscribe to the channel. See you soon with another video. Bye.